Mughal era, Lahore used to be considered as a cultural capital, with the arts and music scenes blossoming in the city. Now, of course, the times have changed, but Lahore is still considered to be a very important cultural heart of Pakistan. So I'm just on my way to meet Zohaib Hassan. He's one of the last remaining players of sarangi, a rare local musical instrument. So let's go and meet him. When I showed up at Zohaib's place, he was in the middle of a Skype call with his student in California.
No, the last one is...
Oh,
yes,
I'm sorry.
It's okay, it's okay. Last is yes. Re, ga, re, sa.
So, re.
Sa, again sa. I will listen next week. It's okay. Very good.
So what made you start playing the sarangi? I mean, it doesn't seem like the typical instrument to play out there in America.
In 2009, I found Zohaib on YouTube. I'm lucky to be learning from Zohaib. He's awesome.
Well, you out there in California are sort of playing an instrument that is probably considered to be a sort of dying art here in Pakistan.
Yeah, in Pakistan,
right?
yes.
Yeah, and yet there you are, sort of a young person, you know, with this huge passion for the instrument, and you're sort of promoting it out there as well, in a sense. And that's just really great to see.
Really helped me with his family's tradition.
Have a good night.
Zohaib, that lesson was really fascinating to watch. And you're considered to be a sort of master player of the sarangi here in Pakistan. And so tell me, how did you start playing the sarangi?
7 पुश्तों से मेरे घराने में सारंगी बजाई जा रही है। 4 उंगलियों से सारंगी बजाने वाला वाहद दुनिया के घराना है। ये एक बात है जो हमें पूरी दुनिया से अलग करती है।
Sarangi is considered to be a sort of dying art. Why is that?
सारंगी के ख़त्म होने में बजाने वालों का और बजवाने वालों का दोनों का हाथ है, क्योंकि जो बजाने वाले हैं उन्होंने ये कहकर नहीं आगे सिखाया कि ये बड़ा मुश्किल है।
In order to give me a better understanding of the instrument that is the sarangi, Zohaib offered to take me to the workshop of the very last remaining sarangi maker in all of Pakistan. I've heard that you're the only sarangi maker left in Pakistan today. Is that true?
अब यहाँ और कोई नहीं है मेरे अलावा, मैं ही बनाता हूँ। ये हमारा काम 200 साल से, मेरे दादा भी यही करते थे, उनके वालिद भी यही करते थे, मेरे वालिद भी यही करते थे।
How important is music to the culture here?
मौसीकी एक रूह की ग़िज़ा है। आप सारे दिन की थकावट हो आपको, आप शाम को थोड़ी सी को अच्छी मौसीकी सुने, आपका जहन फ्रेश हो जाएगा। जो मौसीकी को समझता है ना, वो ऊंची आवाज़ में बात करना भी पसंद नहीं करता।
सा रे गा मा पा दा।
Zohaib has dedicated his whole life to this rare and dying art. And this makes him one of the very few people in the world keeping the tradition of the sarangi alive. There's a really cool person living here in Lahore. Her name is Zenith, and we've just been in touch on social media. She's actually Pakistan's first female biker who crossed all of Pakistan. She's known as Pakistan's motorcycle girl. Zenith Irfan rode over 3,000 kilometers from Lahore all the way through northern Pakistan up to the border with China. Oh, there she is.
Hi, how are you? Hey,
Wow!
How are you,
ride.
Eva?
I'm great. How are you?
great. I'm
Lovely to
fine.
finally
It's
meet
really
you.
nice. Finally, we are meeting.
Oh my God, you